but you're going to find consistency using silver bullet because it's time-based, and it's always going to form. Every single day it's there. The problem is you want it to form on your favorite time frame. You want it to fit your already established expectation or preconceived notions about what price should do, and you're not following the rules. So yes, you're doing shit wrong, and you're not getting the results, and that's expected, right? If I give you a recipe and say, this is the ingredients, this is the order you do it, and this is what you should expect as a result, and you substitute something, okay? You leave a key ingredient out and replace it with what you think is better suited for that. You're not going to get the same result. And don't complain that you didn't get the result that was promoted by me that you should be getting if you're doing something outside the scope of the instructions and parameters I've given. If you come to me as an educator, as a mentor, you're trusting me enough to give me your attention initially. So why don't you fucking follow the rules that I've placed in front of you? You're failing. You are failing, not me. You are. So you have to change that shit. It's always going to be you. When I mess up and when I fail, nobody's fault but mine. That's accountability. You have to be accountable to yourself. And some people just don't want to be accountable. They want to have the luxury of being able to blame somebody else because they fucked up. They didn't do something right. And in this industry, guess what, Jack? You don't get that luxury. It's always you. Because I don't run a fucking signal service. If you make money, congratulations. You did it right. Well done. I am proud of you. If you lose money, eat that shit because you did it on your own. What do you mean, eat that shit? Learn from it. It's hard medicine. It's a bitter pill. Swallow it. It's going to make you better. It will make you better. It's going to make you the trader you want to be. You think that it's always going to be the sugar highs that make you the best trader that you're ever going to be. Give me the stuff that works, ICT. Fuck all the bullshit. You're going to learn from all the cuts, the abrasions, the bruises, the losses. That's what I learned from. And you're going to learn from it too. But you have to allow that to happen. You can't tiptoe around thinking, I'm going to avoid losing trades. You're not. Because the more you try to do that, it's going to land right in your lap. But every single time I blew out an account, it was on the heels of a good run. And I wanted to feel good again because it was wearing off too fast. The same fucking hour, walking around like, oh man, shit. I made more money than I make a whole month. A whole month of work in this bullshit job. I made more money than that in this one fucking trade. Man, like if I just did that once a month, I don't need to have a job. Yeah, it's great. It's wearing off. I gotta do it again. And you think that you can just go into the market and find something like that again, forgetting the fact that it just took you 2.5, 3 weeks for that price run to complete and go to its target. You get tore up by the chemical imbalances in your brain when you win, and you don't even know what that feels like yet because you haven't done it yet. You haven't won. You haven't found consistency. And when that achievement is reached, you have a whole new level of learning to go through. It's something, folks. It's a learning process. This is one of the hardest things that you as a human being will ever endeavor to do, because it's so easy to psych yourself out. I'm convinced that 80% of people that fail, they talk themselves into failure, either subconsciously or blatantly. Think about what you've done to yourself as a trader. If you've traded with live funds and you've blown that account or accounts, you can go right back to the moment where you knew at that moment, right before you did it, when you still had money in the account, the day that you did like 25, 30 trades, over leveraging, trying to fix something, trying to just do whatever, at some point, it became like you just wanted to end it all because it was too painful. Just click until I don't have any more money left. I don't have the discipline to do it right. I've already convinced myself that I'm never going to do this, so let's just blow the account and be done with it. So subconsciously what? Your mind tells your hand there's something to do. Push the button.
but the chart's saying nothing about doing anything at all. You're never going to see a book written like that. But that's the stuff that goes on for real.
Alrighty, good morning, boys and girls. Happy Friday, chat. Happy Friday, boys and girls. Welcome in, welcome in. Say what's up in the chat. Hit the like button. Don't be shy, guys. Good morning, good morning. What's up, Roger? Music Planet, good morning. Captain, good morning. Good morning, Will. Yeet to beat, good morning. Hindsight King, what's up, Dom? Sesco, Z Trades, Doman, good morning, Nika. 75, Crack 75, good morning. Good morning, Big Head Reef. Robin, good morning. Nakib, Pine Looms. Abdullah Baba, what's up, man? The Aft, Raghoor, good morning. Luffy Monkey, what's going on, dude? What's going on? Welcome in, guys. Good morning, everybody. Hope everybody is doing well. Let me turn the background music down here a little bit as we dive in. We're about 3 minutes here away from opening bell. Obviously, NFP day today. I don't think we have anything at 10, do we? No, we do not. All right, so we're all good there. But yeah, we had NFP today. This is obviously what caused this data spike. So we traded up, boys and girls, into a 4-hour order block right here, which was the last up close candle before this down move, which we're finding respect off of currently. You guys can let me know what your bias is for today as far as your draws on liquidity. If you guys might be of the opinion that we're going to like 30,094. I think here in the short term, it's looking very much like we might want to go see those data lows. So that is where my eyes are at the moment. So data low down here, we've obviously traded above, you know, that early data high right here. So I like data low for a potential draw here in the short term. Was actually, I hesitated. I was like, I don't know. I was probably like a millisecond away from pulling the trigger on the short right here, pre-market, and then just decided not to. Obviously, it's playing out, but some of you guys may already be in shorts down to 8:30 open and that data low. Kind of a weird candle here. We had this spike at 8:29, and then obviously the data candle's 8:30. So this is kind of a weird. It's not like super clean there, but we'll see if it wants to go for like that wick here at 8:29. Are you guys looking at the 8:29 candle as the data low? That's kind of how I'm looking at this. Kind of looking at that 8:29 candle as the data low. Just I don't know, because that looks like the manipulation here, but yeah, I was close. Kicking myself now. Probably should have done it, huh? Oh well. Good morning, guys. What's up, Cooner? Good morning, Ed. Mr. I get up too early. PJW, what's up, man? Crypto Surfer, good morning, man. Alvarado, what's up? Jose, good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. In shorts since the top, huh? Did you just short the 4-hour order block, or did you short like this 1 minute shift? This was literally the new hour open, yeah. So I just opened up, basically went straight down. So where are we at on ES here? ES just rebalanced on the hourly. NQ's about to do the same. 30 nothing. 4-hour nothing. Chamzo, what's up, man? Yeah, so I guess we'll see here, guys. Once we take out data lows, what we want to do. We've got market open here in 30 seconds. So right now, eyes are here for me. Let me get to the opening bell here. Don't miss it, boys. And then we'll see what we want to do from there, man. If we get continuation down to that equilibrium level that we left from yesterday or not. Could be possible depending on how this 4-hour wants to close, right? There's our opening bell. There we go. Ding, ding. Let's see. We do have a 5-minute opened up here. See if maybe price would be willing to give a tap up into that, and then could maybe look to short if we get move up into here and then a rejection. May look to go for something on that, but 15-minute gap as well. Basically same spot. Full pour Friday? Yeah, you guys tell me. Is it full pour Friday or what? Did anybody do the full pour eval method on the data release here? If you did, I feel like this wick had to have been kind of fucky at 829. You don't do ICT, don't even know what order block is? Oh. Come on, Cooner. 5-minute BPR targeting data low wick. Yep. What's up, K-Man? Didn't full port, but made 600 on MGC gold. Nice. Here to learn? I'm here to learn, everybody. You got Chlorophyll Man up there talking about God knows what. You got her talking about making out with me. Anyone? Indicator on the left. You mean on the right? This indicator? This is the higher time frame. If this is what you're talking about, this is the higher time frame power of 3. By 2 degrees. My hairline is blessed. I can't tell if you're joking or not. Call me crazy, but I think we see all those lows ES get swept before we move higher to the daily relative equal highs. Lows on ES? You're talking like previous day lows? You are for real? For a guy in my age? Thanks, man. Wow, getting a nice pump back up here. Filled the 15-minute gap just now. Literally just immediate rebalance. Getting a pump back up. A lot more strength on this move up right now on NQ than ES. So yeah, it doesn't really matter now. I was thinking about taking this short here. Would have been probably break even into the open, so I would have been break even anyway, so it don't really matter. I look like a porn actor from the 70s. Do you watch a lot of 70s porn, Igor? Igor, do you partake in viewing a lot of 70s pornography? Thing is, everybody wants to short. Yeah, right. Yeah. There was porn in the 70s? I guess so. I don't know. According to Igor, there was. I was still swimming around in my dad's testes then, probably. So I don't know. Freaky Friday, huh? You have a sick joke for me about oldies porn. Well, let's hear it, Noise Vision. What are you gatekeeping for? What's up, Retain? Imagine beating it to black and white coochie, says Abdullah Baba. Abdullah Baba, do they have color TV in Ethiopia? I was just curious. Yeah. Maybe it wasn't your dad's? Dude, maybe it wasn't. Maybe it wasn't. It was the milkman. We don't have electricity, man. I thought, well, that's what I was wondering, Abdullah Baba. That's why I was... It's tough. What's the other streaming platform? What do you mean? What do you mean? Holy inverse. Holy inverse. Fuck, bro. Yeah, I might have to. I might have to. If I can get a fill. Rejecting strong. All right, I'm filled there, guys. Trying to short off this inversion and this 15-minute bearish rejection that we're seeing. Trying to get that data low push. Jesus. You would let me date your daughter? Thanks, Nick. Trading is a rush sometimes. It really is, dude. Let's see what happens here, guys. Trying the inversion short here. Might get fucked, might not. We'll see. Today you passed funded account, signed papers, already up 5%. Nice, dude. Congrats, Sam. Nice close. Nick, these are funded accounts. TRADEIFY and Lucid right now. We're in it together, win or lose. Let's go, Sesko. We're in it together, man. All right, we'll see, dude. Hands off the mouse, coffee and ham. As far as like break even goes, I mean, realistically, probably like 830 opening price, like below this recent low here at open. But other than that, though, so I got. It is a really nice, like, low resistant run. Like, through London and Asia, too. I don't think I'm going to hold, though. I think I'll be more than happy with just this. Oh, what time is it? 9:42. All right, 15 close is about to hit in 3 minutes. Kind of slow right here for the moment. Looking good, though. We're holding up. Holy 1 minute chop. Come on, man. That's awful. ES into that 15-minute now, but I don't know. We'll see what happens here, man. We're a little bit stronger on NQ, so I don't know if NQ is going to want to swipe this high. Damn, man. That was looking so good for a moment there. Twas looking good here. New 15-minute just opened up. Let's see. Probably fucked. All right, we're stopped. Maybe the 1 minute IFEG was just a little too obvious, Chad. Everybody took it. But this is what I'm a little worried about. Like, are we just going to SMT here and then reverse? That would be kind of gay. Like, ES is trading up into this 15-minute. And then NQ just swiped that 15-minute high. Brother, if we inverse again, I swear to God, I'm revenge reshorting. I'm totally revenge reshorting if we inverse here again. I might even sell stop it. Maybe I should have a little bit more patience. I don't know. Yeah, I'm sell stopping it. Oh, dude, order rejected? Fuck you, dude. Oh, brother. I'm in, boys. I'm fucking in. I'm in short. All right, I just added 2 more contracts. I'm revenge reshorting this, boys. Risk reward's fucking ass, bro. Oh my god. Risk reward is dick. I'm aiming for the data low. That's what I'm aiming for. This price action is not good. Nope. Yeah, I think I'm just going to set a hard stop here, man. I was debating. I'm like, do I just close it if we reclaim the gap? But I think I'm just going to go hard stop. And honestly, dude, I'll probably just have to be done for the day if this also loses. Don't revenge. Too late, man. Hey, watch this for me. Watch this for me. I got to go grab something quick. We're back, boys. We're back. What's up, TG? TG, bro, am I going to get fucked or what? I'm scared and I need someone to hold me right now. I do want the data low. You caught me, man. You caught me. I do want the data low, yes. But then again, everybody in my chat also wants the data low, so that's got me second guessing some things. But I don't know, dude. Getting caught in this chop currently. Fuck, bro. Oh, dude. It's looking a little iffy. Looking a little iffy, boys. and I chased the absolute fuck out of it. I chased the absolute dog shit out of it. All right, last chance really is this rejection block for me. Otherwise, it's probably GG's, bro. I don't want to look, boys. All right, we're rejecting 50% of this wick for now, but if we go any higher than this, I'm so cooked. If we go any higher than this, I'm so cooked. It's a win if it brings more views. I don't give a fuck about the views, bro. I hate losing. I hate being red. I moved stop to this high here. I want to see 50% of this rejection block hold up, so. No, dude, I'm not going to close that. I mean, I already held like most of this drawdown up, so. There's still a chance, boys. There's still a chance, despite how not promising it may look. Despite how not promising it may look, I can't do it. I just got to let it play. Let it play, chat. Let it fucking play. But I'm scared. And I'm mad enough to admit it. First, I was afraid. I was petrified, thinking I could never live without the NASDAQ on my side. Then I spent so many nights thinking, what the fuck did I do wrong? And I grew strong. I learned that I maybe should have longed, and now we're back. All right. Somebody wake me when it's over. Oh my fucking God. Green, boys. Green on the trade. I did not think, boys. You know, who am I kidding? Never a doubt. I never once doubted this trade. Never one time was I in doubt or in fear of my stop loss being violated. This was always the plan. What can I say? Some of us just got it like that. Catch me in the newest 70s porno coming to a black and white theater near you. Oh, I think I have some lotion in the other room. Might actually have to go bust that out. Your SMT is wrong. I don't give a fuck if my SMT is wrong. You hear me? But I think you're wrong. We hit just 8:30. We just hit 8:30 open. I'm trying not to like ram my stop up to break even just yet. But I'd say mentally my stop loss would be like if we were to get an inversion back above here. Also, don't mind the risk reward on this. Don't mind the risk reward. I was going through it. We don't have news at 10, right? I checked, dude. I don't think we have anything at 10. Yeah, I'll put it on. We'll put it on, I guess. Let me see. Yeah, top of the hour here in 30 seconds, chat. I was debating on it, Ralph. I wanted to hold for like some of the overnight session lows, but I think I'm just gonna take this and run, bro. I think. But you can leave runners if you want. It makes sense. New hour. Partials? Why would I partial at less than 1R? How about you guys manage your trade however you want? Let me manage my trade however I want. How's that sound? But if we do like inverse back above here, I'm just going to close the trade. Just FYI, chat. Yeah, the data wick was kind of tricky, RR12. I marked out 29. I marked out 29, the 29 candle, but obviously, yeah, we swiped that 830 candle low. Yeah, it was kind of funky, wasn't it, this morning? Kind of funky a little bit. All right, new low there. You guys think I'm good to trail up yet? Like to hear? Hopefully. Maybe I should wait for the close here first. Two-minute closed. I just really don't want to get break-even tagged and then like it plays out. What to do, what to do. Decisions. I think I'm just going to leave it and pray it doesn't come back and snag me out here. I did say manage your trade. Well, manage it however you want. Like, don't be in my fucking chat telling me, like, don't tell me to partial. Don't tell me to, you know what I'm saying? Like, trade your own accounts, man. Like, don't tell me, like, if I was listening to the chat, bro, I would have closed my trade up here. And yet, like, brother, you know what I'm saying? Like, fucking hey, let a guy breathe, would ya? Holy shit. Ugh. I know. I'm aware. What's your name? Bicky. I know. It was just kind of funky this morning. I really didn't know like how to view this. I'm just viewing like this 829 candle as like that manipulation. You know what I mean? So, yeah. $829 low sweep. What do you guys mean? Oh, do we sweep it on E-mini? Oh. All right, dude. I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna take it off, bruh. With a little bit of green there. Oh, I did not see that, man. Oh, why'd you guys tell me? Thanks for the heads up, I guess. Yeah, we did sweep it on E-mini. Well, we'll see if it wants to go on MNQ as well. I do think there's a chance that this still goes lower because we just have all of this trend line liquidity built up here. Right? So if all of this structure fails in a perfect world, I would say that this is probably likely. But yeah, I did not notice that we took it on E-mini there. Appreciate the heads up, chat. Oh my gosh. You dirty dog. Micro E-mini SMT. That's crazy. Let's see what happens here. Let's see if that would have been like a break even, dude. That's crazy. You're welcome. Was that you, Andrew Jones? Yeah, dude. I literally did not even notice that we took that on E-mini, so thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I kind of, it was already starting to retrace a little bit, but yeah, I don't know. I couldn't risk that. I couldn't risk that going back and like, because if it goes back to break even, I'm still red on the day, so I couldn't, you know what I mean? I feel like I had to take that off. All right. Well, let's see, chat. Let's see. What's everybody thinking here? Yeah, I mean, even if we did, like, I just don't know what we're retracing into. Like, this 15-minute, right? Like, 15-minute inversion already. This 15-minute, to me, this looks like power of three is completed, and we're going to start distributing lower. At least that's what it looks like it should do. Unless we're offside and we're actually, like, in a bullish market here, but that'd be it. Back to the hourly open. There's the 10 a.m. open traders. There you go. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Michael, I know exactly what you're talking about. That is hilarious. That is funny. I should get that. I should definitely get that on my stream deck here. That's funny. Done for the day? No, I'm not. No, I don't think I'm done for the day. We'll see what happens. I just, my only target idea was that 829 low. Kind of a bummer that we swept it on E-mini, but we did it on micro. So just to be safe, took the trade off. So yeah, we'll see here, man. What this wants to do. Like I said, I still think lower is the move here. And we got, you know, Asia London down here. Little manipulation here at midnight. But you know, it would be wild, chat, if we ended up seeing like, previous day low here today. Well, oh my God, boys. Somehow survived that chop. That was actually so stressful. Oh, that was so stressful. Got stopped out here. We put an SMT at that moment with ES. I just started chasing the short again once we started accelerating through this IFVG. And shit ton of drawdown. Chat was not happy with me, but we persevered somehow. Oh my God. Well, maybe we took it away with, I don't know if ES came and took the SMT away. Hang on, let me see here. Let me make sure I'm not crazy. All I remember is at the time when we were sweeping up here on NQ, ES was just finally starting to pull back into that 15-minute that we'd already pulled back into on NQ and filled. So like the SMT was between these 15-minute candles, right? So between 9:30 and 9:45. Let me see if I got that right. Or if I'm retarded. So ES did eventually make its way up to that 15-minute candle high, but at the time when I took the trade, it wasn't there yet. There, okay, so there's the low on MNQ as well. All right, so left some on the table there, obviously, but there it is. Wouldn't have been trailed out. I had my trail at like 7:13. It was, I think. But I wasn't gonna risk being break-even king on that one. What's up, Jesus is King? Still holding? Yeah, let's just mark out our, well, where's our London at? London. To me, we've already taken out Asia with midnight, but lows here. This is a lunch low from yesterday. And we got open imbalance also right below that. From yesterday as well. So yeah, if we, I don't know, if we keep seeing continuations lower, I would totally be open to finding a continuation short. I would be open to it. But let's watch, see what price wants to do here. Indicator that shows days. That shows days. Well, I have a couple actually. So this one is ICT everything. It separates the days at New York midnight. But then this other, the one that you just saw me looking at was this kill zones. Sorry, you can't see it. Kill zones and pivots by TFO. It also separates the days. But these are all my indicators here. Dang, dude. Order block just formed, and we just, wow. What time is it? 15? This new 15 just opened up. 2-minute gap. Feels a little jumpy, don't it? How many people in Russia watch? I don't know. You have to ask. I don't know how many people in the chat are in Russia. I think, well, Russia's actually, I just discovered this last night. Was it TRADEIFY or Lucid? Not that that matters. I mean, people can watch whether they're banned or not, but I did not know Russia was a ban, like a restricted country, to be honest. Was it Lucid? Yeah, dude, I did not know Russia is restricted from trading Lucid. Is it TRADEIFY as well? Damn, dude, Russia's... What the fuck? It is. Why is Russia restricted? Yeah, I did not know that. Like, Afghanistan being restricted kind of makes sense. Afghanistan, Albania, Algeria. Angola, Andorra, Bahamas, Barbados, Belarus, Bosnia, Botswana, Bulgaria, Myanmar, Cambodia. Ecuador, Ethiopia, Abdullah Baba. Ethiopia's banned, dude. What the heck? Iceland, Iran, Iraq. Israel's banned with TRADEIFY. I don't think Israel's banned with Lucid. No, Israel. Why is that? Israel's not banned. It's not restricted with Lucid, but it is with TRADEIFY. Interesting. Jamaica, dude? Damn. I thought Jamaica had it going on. Malaysia, Morocco. Somalia. Yo. It says Somalia is a restricted country. I did not know people in Minnesota weren't allowed to trade with TRADEIFY. That's crazy. I did not know people in Minneapolis were not allowed to trade. That's crazy. Sorry. Stacy's mom has got it going on. But You told me shorts are ass. When did you say that? I mean, my short idea worked out to the target, so I told you we were going to wait and see what happens. I did say that I thought shorts continuing would make sense, though, which I did think that. But now we'll see. It just depends if we're offside or not. Like, if this is truly bullish, right? If this is truly bullish, then, like, this is the opposite PO3, right? 4-hour gap, 4-hour low sweep. Like, we're probably going to see acceleration through this high and then, obviously, eventually these highs up here. So now 4-hour gap here, right? 5-minute CISD would have to be open to flipping your buys at this point, right? We've confirmed off of a higher time frame PD array for higher, I would say. We just went immediately into this 5-minute, like literally straight up. Three-minute inversion was kind of clean, but Mother Russia. So wrong, but so funny. That's the funniest part. Russia's one of the most corrupt and have hackers acting against the United States and are sanctioned. Of course, they are restricted. Michael, I have a theory though, Michael. My theory is that, you know how like we've kind of been taught that China and Russia are like our biggest threats, like as Americans. Maybe I'm too much like, maybe I'm too much wearing the like Israel tinfoil hat, but I'm starting to think that it's just Israel, bro. I'm starting to think it's just Israel. Like Russia, they say that Russia's interfered with our elections. You know who has interfered with our elections and continues to do so? Israel. Fact. You can't even deny it. So, I don't know. So I don't know, Michael. I don't know. I mean, I'm not saying that like I'm pro-Russia or nothing. I'm just saying that I think our biggest ally might be our biggest adversary, if you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? Big Yahoo will cook me in the next trade. I won't let it happen. I won't let it. Anyway, 10:23 right now. I don't really have like a plan right this second. I would maybe like to see if we could, you know, start supporting bullish order flow towards like these highs here. And then maybe see if we can catch along from this 4-hour, what's starting to now look like a 4-hour bullish PO3. And hourly potentially also. So, yeah. But I'm trying to stay patient with this and not like immediately yeet myself back into a trade here, but. Are we going to have a 5-minute? I don't know if I should wait for that or not. We're moving pretty quick now. Of course, market's doing this when I'm in the trades. When I'm not in the trades. Like, so yeah, this is a bullish OB on the 1 minute though. From kind of a premium of this leg. Three-minute gap here. What's up, Lone Wolf? Call it a day, maybe. Well, we'll see, man. Like, if I get like a good trade that makes sense without me having to chase it or do something that I don't want to do, then we'll take it. And if we don't get anything else, then yeah, we're green, so it's not bad. Glad to see your chase as well played out. I know, dude. I just had to literally sit through basically full drawdown, which was not fun. I did not like that, but glad that I didn't like close it early. Chat was fucking flaming the shit out of me, saying close it, close it, close it. And I was just like, no, I can't do it. Thankfully it worked out. Now, it wasn't like good risk reward or anything like that. It was basically probably ended up being like just a smidge over 1 hour after you know, because I closed it once we realized that E-mini had took the low out first. So. How come you didn't take the long off the data low? Well, at the time, Sempi, I kind of felt like we had a good chance to go lower still yet. And then I was kind of yapping as this was turning back up, but I just got out of a trade, so I wasn't like a big rush to like get back in something, especially one that like was opposite of what I was thinking might happen. But yeah, man, if you guys did catch longs here and you're holding it, looking pretty good. I mean, we ended up holding this 1 minute order block, despite, you know, leaving a 3 minute gap here. We have a 5 minute gap going to be left. All right, what's left here? See? See, like, there's no need for you guys to say stop trading for today. Just, like, let me do what I want to do. You know what I'm saying? But, like, you guys can stop trading for the day. You feel me? ES is already, like, to the high. Also, chat, yeah, hit the likes on the stream. We will do giveaways today. It is Friday, boys. We will do some giveaways today. Yeah, who was it that won last week? It was Raghu, I think, right? Raghu, were you one of the winners last week? I believe so. And then I'm trying to remember who else it was. Was it Dom? Maybe it was Dom. Yeah. So, Raghu, I'm gonna have to. You have to be on cooldown just this week, though. All right, man. Your entries will still count, and it'll still benefit you next week. Bro, I'm pretty sure it was you, Dom. Who the fuck was it? Pretty sure it was you. Dom, I'm pretty sure it was you. Quick capping, dude. Dom, if you're lying. Dom, if you're lying, I'm going to have to remove one of your entries, brother. I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed. Listen, I'm not mad that you did it. I'm just mad that you lied. It was just you. Just remember. Oh, yeah, yeah. So I get it. You know, sometimes you forget. I get that. I'm forgetful sometimes, too. That's fair. It's just a week cooldown, so. Spread the wealth. Oh, 3 with Apex last night, Andrew? Yeah, Apex is tough because you kind of have to take the screenshot like beforehand or use like a screen recording for using Code Tyler. But you are a member of the channel, so you know what? You know what, Andrew? Let's meet in the middle. Let's meet in the middle here. I'll give you 2 extra entries. I'll take your word for it, Andrew. Does that sound fair? I think that's fair. But I can't just say, yeah, like, let me just take your word for it, like, because then I'll have to do that for everybody. Everyone will be like, yeah, man, I bought 100 accounts last night with your code. Alvarado won yesterday, so he's on cooldown for a week. Yeah, man, Rao, I don't know. Somebody said, or somebody actually I showed you guys the picture of it. Somebody actually sent me the TRADEIFY invoice. He said it just got emailed to him. So I don't know, bro. I really don't. I don't know what to tell you about that. All right, yeah. So we just came back, hit this 5-minute block. Oh, we got this gap right here. That's 10:30 right now too. This gap is, it's menacing. We do have SMT at the high as well. ES took the high. What are we thinking here, chat? Is it just going to continue up? Like, is it GG's if we inverse here? Yeah, I don't know, Reg. Like I said, I forget who it was. Let me show you guys. See if I can find the ticket. Yeah, man. So there you go. So this guy sent this from TRADEIFY. Select 50K, coupon code used, Tyler. And then I asked him, I was like, where did you find this invoice? I was asking for you guys. He said, I received it by email right after buying the account. Lucid also does something similar, which I know that, but so yeah, I don't know. Unless this is AI and he just photoshopped it or something, but fake as fuck, you think? No, dude, come on. Well, like, I'll know. Like, I will. It's not that hard to check. Especially, like, if people say they use your code, but, like, let's say I go check my back office in my dashboard as an affiliate, like, I can see if, like, there was actually any conversions or orders placed, like, at that time. You've never bought accounts from TRADEIFY, Dom? So you're saying all your TRADEIFY accounts so far were just the ones that you won in the giveaways? What the heck, Dom? Screenshot from Noise Vision's email looks like this. Yeah, no, like it doesn't say like what code you used and stuff, yeah. Are you boys saying I'm getting scammed? Is that what you're telling me? I don't know, bro. I can't just like, it looks fucking so legit though. It looks legit as fuck. Listen, guys, take off your hater caps right now. Just take off the hater caps and just be like, honestly, dude, if it's fake, then bravo to him because that's fucking pretty good. But I'm going to give him the benefit of the doubt for now. It's just one extra entry, so it's not the end of the world. We got to give him the benefit of the doubt. Right, Nika? Right, Nika? Nika always says, I'm too harsh on you guys sometimes. That's what Nika always says. She goes, you're so harsh on people. You know what I'm saying? Like, you got to just, you know, be nicer is what she always says, so. What the fuck, Midnight? 7 MFU accounts using your code 2 days ago, but you were left out of the giveaway, so you took a 2 days ago. We haven't done a giveaway in the last 2 days. What are you talking about? Also, I don't think you can do that. Can you do that? That's fake as well, says Nick. I don't know. My word against yours. No, I think the actual truth is Nika says I'm too nice to you guys. She says I should be meaner. Because I'll say, like, hey, we got to get the likes up or I'm not doing these giveaways, but then I'll still do the giveaways. Type shit. Yes, guys, run the likes up. We will do giveaways today. Yes. But you got to hit the likes. You got to hit the likes. All right, 5-minute gap right there. We've just ever so gently just pierced it a little bit. Let's see. Only 10:37 right now. You like the mean and rage baiting version more. Interesting. What's up, Nuts? Did I miss your good morning message? I'm sorry. Good morning, man. Scott says can't be fake. He wouldn't know TRADEIFY uses worthy payment gateway. Jesus, bro. Daddy Shire goes, Tyler, if Big Yahoo is 5 inches deep in you, and you're 5 inches deep in Trump, well, first of all, the second part of that's not even possible. So, oh, micro gang, stand up. 5, bro. Jeez, dude. Fuck, man. Anyway, but yeah, which way am I moving? I actually have never heard a good answer to those types of questions. What's the right answer? I really don't know, man. You got me. I didn't watch the stream. I had to lock in because of stupid yesterday. Oh, did you just get here? Contains nuts? Welcome in, man. 3 on a hot day. 3 on a hot day after your trade goes straight to take profit. Nano gang. Yes, dude. I forgot. Nanos. Yes. Just tell which way. Front or back. Brother. Don't make me do this. Don't make me do this on a Friday. All right, man. I'm thinking game plan here, chat. If we do see like a change in the state higher here on the 1 minute out of this 5 minute and tapping this 50%, I will be willing to go try along here. I think. But if it just keeps dumping through here, then is it like this? What is it, 10:41 right now? So yeah, we're kind of like in between 2 5-minute PD arrays here, right? What's it going to be, guys? 5-minute gap, 5-minute CISD. Might be too early to tell. I don't know. Do I ever get brother, man? Daddy Shire, I think I know what's on your mind today. I think I know what, you know what I'm saying? Do I ever get booty cramps? I can't say that I do. Nope, I can't say that I do. Every once in a while, maybe like a little calf cramp or something like that. No booty cramps though, nope. Well, how about you, Daddy? I do, brother. I can't do it. How about you, Daddy? Yeah, let's pretend let's pretend I didn't say that. let's pretend I didn't say that. What's the date today? The 7th? Literally, guys, look at this. This is Daddy Shire's chat history today. First it was the Yahoo stuff. And then he deleted it. Oh, it's held for review. Oh, wow. Yeah, he said, Tyler, big Yahoo is 5 inches deep inside you and you're 5 inches deep inside Trump. Which way are you moving? And then he goes, do you ever get booty cramps? You can't see his chat here. Yeah, it said it said that message was held for review, so I don't know what happened there. Naughty, 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 naughty. You naughty, naughty boy. You will never get this. You will never get this. Oh, we will, we will. Did you spam W? I did not, Mamba. We were missing you. Mamba, where were you? My first trade, well, I took 2 trades. First trade was a loss. But I felt like I was getting, like, literally stop hunted on this with SMT at that high with ES at the time. And then I re-entered. I chased the short back down after this inversion. But, yeah, my first short was this inversion on NQ. Fuck. This inversion on NQ right here. Shorted that. Trying to get data low. I get swiped out. Stop was this high. It starts coming back down. My entry, like, the way in which I entered was very like, fuck you, I'm revenge chasing this, right? But ultimately it was off this inversion. Drawdown, stop was this high. Stops in the rejection block. Sells off. I take it off here because E-mini took out this low. So I took it off just to be safe. So I made back the loss with some profit here. New 15-minute candle, guys. It honestly is like, I think it's just trying to decide which way it wants to go here. I'm really not too sure at this exact moment, but if this area holds and we see displacement up, I think the longs are coming in. We got these highs here, obviously. And if we lose like this 5-minute bullish gap, probably going for lower. So like if this, then that. Honestly, may try the long here. Yeah, I'm being stingy about it. All right. Oh, wow. I got bad fill there. That was my fill? Fuck. That was actually awful fill. All right. I'm in with 2 micros there. I'm going to try the long up to... through these highs here. That was not the fill I wanted. That's the fill I wanted. Son of a gun. Yeah, dude, that fill sucked actually. I would at least have like whatever. I guess it's not a big deal. But yeah, I got a little slipped on that. In the macro here. Mm. 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 It's Big Yahoo, and it's these glasses, bro. Oh no, I forgot. I forgot the rule. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. This action is like really slow. And gay. Are we really about to close? How's this hourly candle gonna close? Trendline suck. Man, this action is not it, huh? This action is not it, dude. I might just get out at BE here. Oh, hang on. Gonna pop on ES. I'm just gonna ram break even, bro. I'm just gonna ram it up break even. I'll break even. All right, cool. That action, that's tough, bro. New hours with the open up. We'll see what it wants to do. All right, let's run a giveaway, huh, chat? Hit the like button, guys. Hit the like button, boys. Let's get the likes up. Let's run a giveaway or 2 or 3 or whatever you guys are feeling. Wow. Okay, yeah, it's kind of some tough action in here, man. Hourly candle is going to close bullish. So maybe we see a deeper raid down into this wick. I don't know. But yeah, guys, I just rammed it up break even because I mean, I just sat through all of this and I was just like, eh. It's fine with being out break even there. I was going to maybe just close it anyway. So, all right, guys, let me grab the 7. Let's do 7. I'm going to need like, I'll tell you what, if we get, how many likes we got right now? Probably not possible with only 330 watching. If you get to 300 likes with 330 watching, we'll do 7 giveaways. I actually think I have, hang on, let me see. Let me make sure I got enough codes. I think I do, actually. Yeah, I got enough. But 300 likes. I'll say this, though. If we get 150 likes, guys, we'll do 2 giveaways. 200 likes, we'll do 3. All right? Does that sound like a fair deal, chat? I'm going to type it on the screen here. Anybody still holding this, by the way? Waits for me to get out, new hour to open up, and then it's just going to rip or what? But I'm going to grab Google form here. Google form. What's the date? Day the 7th? Giveaway. All right. All right. If you guys would like to be in the giveaway chat, form is in the chat. I will pin it. Form is in the chat. If you guys are not also in the free Discord, I'll drop that link in the chat as well, and you guys can join the free Discord. That is where we will administer the giveaway codes for you folks. And while you guys do that, I will grab our list here of our giveaway extra entries. We'll put that there for now. Let's get the vibes up in here, huh? Oh, of course. Now it's ripping. Ah. Go figure. That's okay, though. I'm honestly okay with that. I did not want to sit in that any longer if it wasn't going to go. No. Yeah. All right, guys, grabbing names here. Fill out the form as well, chat, for those of you guys that would like to participate in the giveaway today. Grab some of these names here. Yeah, the people that haven't won and have like extra entries rolling over, they're accumulating. They are accumulating. Bop, bop, bop. Oh, they are accumulating, chat. The only part you can see if your code is being used is in the beginning. Yeah, I know. Yeah, noise vision. I think that is true. For most people, yeah. Sorry, guys. 1 sec. I'm just making sure I have everybody here. Just making sure I got everybody. Boom, boom. And then, there we go. There we go. All right, guys. Hit the likes on the stream. I'll give you guys like 1 or 2 more minutes to fill out the form, and then we're going to do some duck races, all right? We're going to do some ducky races, chat. Let's go. Let's go, dude. Check your entry. Oh, is this a brand new one? I don't see your entry. I think I got them all. I got them all. Just filled out the form. Are you in? Yeah, we got 71 submissions right now, guys. So let's go like 11:08, 11:09 chat. 11:08, 11:09. Hit the likes, guys. 150 likes, we'll do 2 giveaways. 200 likes, we'll do 3. If we do 2, we're gonna do 2 TRADEIFY gross. If we do 3, we'll do 2 TRADEIFY gross and a 50K pro with Lucid. Next week action is gonna be nice. Yeah, we'll take a look ahead as well to next week before we go, and try to just get a feel for what it might do. Obviously, there's a lot of day left, so it's, you know, anything could still happen today that could change that. But yeah, we'll take a look ahead and see what we think next week might want to do. Next week better be better. Yeah, dude. Yeah, let me know how you guys did this week. It was kind of back and forth with my trading. It was like red, green, break even. Even like today, I was red and then red to green, and try to get a little bit more green with this trade here, but ultimately just, yeah, the market, I didn't want to sit in that, to be honest. Are you guys still in this trade? Yeah, if you guys are still holding, it is playing out here. It is playing out. 11 a.m. macro is coming to an end, though. We'll see. A new hourly high will be here. I'm not in the long, no. You can see the execution arrow. I just went break even as soon as we took out this little high here because it was too choppy. So I went break even, got tagged out. Did not want to give back, or risk giving back, a little bit of profit here, I guess. Oops. I'm covering the, oops, hang on. I did not want to risk giving back any of that if we were going to be choppy. All right, guys, let's run the giveaways, huh? All right. You guys in? You guys down? You guys down to clown? We got 167 likes, guys. So if you want 3 giveaways, I mean, literally less than, I don't even know what percentage of the chat that is that needs to hit the likes, but we're 33 likes away from 3 giveaways, boys. Otherwise, we're just going to do 2. And you can't be mad at me. But let me grab the form here quick. Let me go back to that. Bada bum, bada bum, bada bum. All right, 87 responses. If you did not fill out the form by now, too bad, too sad. Hide your guys' emails quick. Let me hide it, man. There you go. And I'll grab you guys' YouTube names. Copy. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. There we go. What is this song, by the way? Next. I'm gonna delete that one. That one sucks. That one sucks. Yeah, there we go. All right, here we go, boys. We got the extra entries from people that submitted proof of using code Tyler in the Discord. And there we go. And then here we go for all of the submissions. Where's YouTube username? There we go. There we go. All right, sweet. Sweet. Duck race, ready to go. Market is moving up, so that might play, boys. That might play. Let's go 44 seconds on the clock. Set. Let's go full. Let's make this bigger. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah. Now we're cooking. Let's go. All right, chat. Let's see. We got them all lined up here. We got Z trades. We got Dom. We got RB trades. Raghu, PJ, Noise Vision, Zanker. We got Nika, you're up front. Medics. All right. Good luck, everybody. This is for 50K growth account with TRADEIFY for account number 1. On your marks. Get set. Quack. Alrighty, boys. We are off and running. Do I have any coffee left? I do. Oh, yes. Medics out in front. We got Dom. We got Jams Jar. Big Head Reef. Look at the music up here a little bit. There we go. Yes. FOMO. We got Biz Mode. Biz Mode in race mode right now. Is it me trading? It is not you trading. Oh, there he goes. Oh, I jinxed you. Is it me trading? I jinxed you so hard there. Oh, who's it going to be? This guy's coming in hot. This Strawberry's coming in hot. Oh, Z Trades. That's Z Trades. We got Newton. Wait, was it? Congratulations, Newton. Was Newton saying something in the chat earlier? I saw right as we were starting that. Someone said... I thought somebody said something to Newton. First time watching. What's up, Trader Cabo? Maybe not. Maybe I made that up in my head. Newton, congrats, man. Congrats, Newton. 50K growth account with TRADEIFY. We'll do a couple more giveaways here as long as we're still liking up the stream, guys. A couple more giveaways here. It's kind of loud now. All right. On your marks. Get set. Go. Let's go, baby. Come on. Nika out in front. Nika also bringing up the middle of the pack as well. We got Sempi. Raghu, there you are. Crypto Surfer. Sunny D. Harian. It sounds like, never mind. Harmon. Who else we got here? Z-Trades. There's Daddy right there. We got Moldy Hatter. The Panda. Who's it going to be? Let me pick someone back here. I don't even know, actually. Fuck. PJW? There he is, PJ. PJ. Yes, sir. So we got Newton, we got PJ for 2 50K growth accounts with TRADEIFY. All right, you guys want a deal? You guys like deals? Good deals? I'll make you a good deal. I'll make you a great deal. I know I said we'll do 3 giveaways if we get to 200 likes. I lied. We'll do 4. You guys want 4? What's this trade doing, by the way? Kind of chopping. $12 likes, guys. 12 away. We might even do 5. Maybe. Never know. Also, all right, so we had PJ Newton. Let's see who says what. Daniel says you're so big. Thanks, dude. Let's see what they said though. You are a handsome man, says PJ. Thanks, dude. Likewise, man. I've never seen what you look like, but I'm just assuming that based on your generosity, you're probably also a handsome fella, you know what I'm saying? Then we got Newton. You won the 50K Lucid Flex? I don't think I did. You know, I don't think I did, but perhaps he was speaking that one into existence there. Is there any good ones in here? Good ones in here? What's this one? You look pretty today, and Jesus loves you. Thank you, Nemo. Aw. Nemo, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Nemo. Nemo. I think he's pretty fond of you as well. Ching. All right. Let's see here. What are we at likes, guys? 193. 7 likes away, chat. 7 likes away. Come on. Come on. Come on. Will this get your... Hang on. Let me see if this gets the vibes up here a little bit. Let me see here. Do I want to get a copyright, though? Do I want to get a copyright? Is it worth it on a Friday? Is it? If we would have been a little country vibe or no? It's easier to stay. It's easier to say that there's gonna come a day it won't be this hard. We're 4 likes away. That's why I'm stalling. Right on. We just lost a like. There we go. Come on, boys. We're almost there. Your mom is subbing? W Nika Mom. W Nika Mom. Being by if I could go and find the moment or the night, my heart went cold as ice. I light the match. Don't wanna draw the line, don't wanna say goodbye, but we're just wasting time, girl. All right, boys. Couple more giveaways coming at you. Coming at you. Coming at you, chat. Coming at you. We're just trying to get the vibes up in here, chat. We're just trying to get the vibes up in here. Why can't I not find that playlist? What the fuck? Why can't I find it? Spotify, what's your problem? Bruh. I don't know. I don't know. What's the vibe today? What's the vibe even today, chat? What is even the vibe today? Everybody feeling good or what? Or no? Yeah, Newton, they come and go. Newton, they come and go when the they come and go when the when the trades are firing. To be, we'd have been by now. That one's kind of a classic. I got one for you. I got one. Yeah, that's it. Let's get down to fucking business, chat. Yes. Come on, dude.
Let's get down to business.
Yes, dude.
Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Mama, please don't walk.
All right, boys. All right. Let's get these giveaways running here, chat. On your mark. Get set. 50K. This is for a 50K growth account with TRADEIFY again. And then we'll get freaky, all right? Come on. We got Mamba. We got Z-Trades. We got Ragu, Crypto Surfer, Moldy Hatter. Again Moldy Hatter. Oh, my. Oh, yeah. Harmon. Mr. XYZ. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. MJ. I don't even know who's going to be, dude. Ragu? It might be Ragu. It might be. It might be with the mask on, the COVID mask. Ooh. Oh, wait. Ragu, we can't. You won last week, right? You won last week, right? Oh, no. Yeah, you won last week, Ragu. But hey, Ragu, good news, brother. All of your entries are still going to count for next week, though. Don't worry, man. Don't worry, dude. Don't worry, dude. Don't worry, dude. It's good omen either way. All right, rerun it. Go, go, go. Let's get down to business. All right, what's next? DJing is kind of hard, bro. I'm not gonna lie. DJing is kind of hard, man. All right, let's see. 10 seconds. Ooh, ooh, ooh. What the fuck? What was that? What was that? Yo, PJ, what was that, dude? PJ, what was that? That's crazy. I don't know how you hit the nitrous like that and then blew a tire. Zahi, congratulations, Zahi. I believe he was one of the extra entries as well. So congratulations, man. So, okay. Let me get this straight here. We got Newton, Zahi, PJ, 50K growth accounts with TRADEIFY. And because you guys were just so wonderful today. Also, I don't know if Zahi filled this out. Yeah, I think he was from the extra entries only. Because you guys were just so nice today. Let me before I get too far ahead of myself, let me double check this. Let me just double check it. All right. We got 2 more. We're going to do 2 more giveaways today, chat. 2 more. Yeah, W Nika Mom. What's up, Nika's mom, if you're watching? We've been taking good care of your daughter. She's in good hands. We're going to do 2 more giveaways today, chat. 2 more. We're going to do 2 Lucid 50K Pro accounts. If you guys want. You tell me, though. You let me know. Let me know. If you guys want to do them, we'll do them. If you don't want to do them, no, that's fine, too. But we'll do that if you guys are down. If you guys are down to clown. TP hit? No. Oh! Oh! Wow. Yeah, if you held this trade, wow, we actually got there. The The old 1120 macro, chat. The old 1120 macro delivered. Rag who had a bunch of extra entries, as well as many other people do. If anybody submits proof throughout the weeks of using code Tyler in the Discord, they get extra entries into the giveaways. So use code Tyler and submit proof in the Discord. And you too could be our next winner. All you got to do is submit a ticket, provide your proof, and away you go. Away you too could be a winner. But dang, man, that's crazy. All right, let's do it. Honestly, it didn't really seem like you guys were really that down. So I guess we'll just do one Lucid Pro. So that'll be 4 giveaways. All right. Good luck, chat. Hey, let's get Justin Bieber and Nicki Minaj going though. Hell yeah. Let's go, baby. Is Nika's mom in the chat? Where is she? She's watching and I appreciate that. Let's go. Let's go. W Nika's mom. That's awesome. Oh, brother. Who's going to be Cayman? Crypto Surfer again. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All right, boys. You talked me into it. Let's run another one back. 50K pro account with Lucid. Happy Friday, chat. Alrighty, boys. Batman Z trades. Frexy. Let's turn this down a little bit. Someone hit the nitrous here. Someone hit the nitrous. Literally. Oh. You guys see that? These guys are moving, bruh. Oh my god. Dom just get smoked. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Yo, you got robbed, dude. Get smoked. You got absolutely robbed there. I'm not gonna lie. That's crazy. That is crazy. Get smoked. Oh, no. All right. Congratulations to whoever this is. I can't even read the whole name, man. I can't even read the whole name. All right. Let's try to find this guy. 9324. Let me see the list. Where's this guy? Oh, he's right here. There's no way. There's a high chance, guys. There's a very high chance that this guy is in a banned country of Lucid. So, are you there? Ebden. Yeah, that. Are you here? Ebnelklady Aladdin. Are you here, Ebnelklady? That's my best. That's my best. Honestly, that was my best effort right there. That was my best effort reading that. I'm not gonna lie. Maximum effort. All right. I don't know if he's here, bro. I don't know if he's here. For those of you guys that won, congratulations. Crypto Surfer, PJ, Reg who won, but we had to re-roll that one. Newton. I'm already forgetting everybody who won already. I'll have to go back and double check. But for those of you guys that did win, if you're not in the Discord, join the Discord. Just submit a ticket. If you already have a ticket open, just ping me in your ticket, and then I'll get you guys your codes after stream here. Okay. You won? That's not you, is it? This is a nice thing about the Google form chat is I can just look. What was it? I already forget the name now. Jeez, bro. Abnell Katie. Abnell Katie. Abnell. Yeah, bro. I don't think that's you, man. He's saying, yes, that's you. What? How could that make sense? If it is you, anyway, drop a ticket in the Discord and then take a screenshot of your YouTube. I have your Discord username as well, so that'll be our fail safe. All right. But congrats to the giveaway winners. Chat. Let's take a quick look at where we think price maybe wants to go for next week. All right. And looking at the economic calendar also. Next week, we've got CPI on Wednesday, no news Monday, Tuesday, PPI Thursday. All right. So that'll be good. CPI next week. Yeah, I'm planning to be live every day, so should be fine. Might be slower Monday, Tuesday. Tuesday might be a little iffy with no news day before CPI. But other than that, that should be cool. And then if we go to just the weekly here, let's actually go here. Let's go here. Still bothers me that we did not get to that 50% level on that. OCD a little bit, but all right. So far in the month of August, we are trading higher. From the weekly perspective, obviously, some things can change in the next few hours if price does want to like do something crazy before the day ends. But my guess is that more than likely, we're probably going to stay near this range. We maybe go take this high out, but I don't think we're going to get a whole lot more expansion. I could be wrong, but I think at this rate, we're probably going to stay pretty range bound and slow. So looking at this week, we're assuming that we're going to get a nice, strong, bullish closure. So obviously, low-hanging fruit objective for next week would look like probably at least previous weekly high. And then if we continue to see like higher time frame PD rates print on the daily and the 4-hour, we could probably have a decent chance at seeing an expansion all the way back to the all-time high. We're already there on ES. So as of right now, that's kind of the early outlook. And then, yeah, on the daily, we're seeing that same support here from this gap. We'll keep our eyes peeled as well for potentially this daily low at early part of next week also, right? Maybe we see early part of next week come in, we take down this low here, and then we expand to that previous weekly high, right? Like picture a power of 3 on this weekly, or the next weekly candle, sorry, right? Maybe open, low, high, close. So we'll see. Definitely a possibility, but CPI next week, Wednesday, and I don't think we have anything. Let me check. I don't think we have any like earnings to worry about. Nothing Wednesday, nothing Thursday. Probably the week after. Probably the week after. No? It's the week after that? Yeah, okay. So we got NVIDIA, not till the 26th. All right. Cool, man. Well, hey, guys, I appreciate you, boys and girls. How can you contact me? Bayat, if you want, just go in the Discord. The link, ! Discord. It's also in the description of the stream. Join the free Discord, submit a ticket, and then ping me in your ticket. That's how you can contact me. All right, guys. But appreciate you guys. Hit the like button on your way out. Enjoy your guys' Friday. Enjoy your guys' weekend. Hopefully, you guys stayed safe in the action. It was kind of, not the cleanest, but ultimately moves did work out with a little bit of patience. So definitely had opportunity today. So hopefully you guys did well, but enjoy your guys' Friday, enjoy your guys' weekend, and I'll see you guys back here next week, Monday morning, all right? Peace and love, chat. We'll see you next week.
Wake up early, coffee to my lips. Tyler trade streaming, giving us tips. The NASDAQ hustle riding up high. Shorts on my playground, never asking why. ICT moves, smart money flows. Precision like an arrow, yeah, that's how it goes. Stop loss is shaking, but I hold my ground. Payouts stacking while the beats pound. Tyler trades, yeah, he's calling the plays. Future's bright while the market sways. If you run it, we don't delay. Stack those wins every single day. Now time to break the mold. Risk to reward, pure liquid gold. Liquidity grabs, making it rain. I'm in sync with Tyler, bringing the gain. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age. Tyler trades, yeah, he's calling the plays. Future's bright while the market sways. If you run it, we don't delay. Stack those wins every single day. Every single day. Snap, time to break the mold. Risk to reward, pure liquid gold. Liquidity grabs, making it rain. I'm in sync with Tyler, bringing the gain. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age.